try this again. So we're gonna change this battery. And I had to go take a break to change this battery on the GoPro. So here we go. We got my new battery. We got my screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead and unscrew this. Unscrew this. And then we actually need to install, ooh, that one's a little longer. We need to install the new hardware into the old battery. But once again, this is holding the battery on. It's an 8mm. You'll just undo those. First, obviously you gotta take off your fender, but it's this bolt right here and another bolt right here by your seat. I already took this off because I was charging the battery, and then it turned out that my battery was shot. So this will come with your new hardware. Basically, just open this bad boy up. I think these people have little hands. I don't have little hands, but let's do this. So let's take this old battery out. We will put the new battery in, and then we will take this little thing and put it in there so that we can screw our positive in, and we will put this one in here so that we can screw our negative in. So comes with new ones. Yeah, we'll just take the old ones out. I like to put my ground on first. So we will go ahead, reinstall that. I like to snug it up just a little bit, and then we will replace the positive. Now, make sure your key's off. Do all these things so you don't get electrocuted. And then we are, now I charged this thing up, I don't know, I didn't charge the battery too long, maybe half an hour. We're gonna see if it'll work. I go ahead and put this brace back on. I'm not gonna charge, well, we'll see if it starts, but I'm gonna probably give it another half hour on the charger. Battery recommends at 3 amps for maybe about an hour. Actually says right on the battery somewhere. I think it's on the other side, but oh, it's on the top here. But it recommends. So, anyways, that's that. Oh yeah! Look at that. Fires right up now that I got a new battery. Woo! Perfect. Now, let's move this charger over here. We will go ahead and hook this charger up here. I'm actually charging it at 2 amps, but it recommends, I don't know, 3. I don't know what charger. I'm just using like a car charger. But anyways, that's that. That's how to change a battery on the KLX250. Mine's a 2019. I don't know what other years are similar. I never really seen much of the other bikes, but this is 2019 KLX250, and we just changed the battery. Also, I've got another video on how to, if you buy this battery. So basically, I bought this battery from Rocky Mountain ATV. It's right down the road. I'll just go down, pick it up. But, you know, to help and support the channel, if you're watching this video and you need a battery, I'll link If I can find a battery on Amazon that'll ship right to your house, I will link up in the description below. I do get paid a commission off of those sales, but at the same time, helps the channel, helps me provide more content, and we're gonna have some fun here shortly. We've got a few things in the works. If you don't know, I bought the Yamaha TW200, and we're gonna compare it a little bit to this KLX250. So stick around, subscribe, and let me know what you wanna watch. Comment down below. Tell me what you wanna see these two compare. We'll do some wheelie contests. I don't know. We'll see what we can do, right? Peace.